What is a special purpose machine, SPM, or a customized machine? SPM is a combination of multiple operations, processes, techniques and equipments for manufacturing a part or a product with high accuracy and productivity with less wastage conceded. Ayalia Engineering Solutions is incubated since 2010, has manufactured and installed over 150 unique automation projects and machines for industrial clients across the globe. Ayalia is located in Coimbatore, south of India. We have in total around 6,000 square feet of factories and office area. Our strong team are experts in their own field. In-house design, electrical and electronics, and machine shop facilities make us more efficient and swift at work. Ayalia SPM are into different industries like automobile, forging, needle industries, pumps, electric and electronics industries, jewelry machines and few mother machines for FMGC and medical equipments also. We, Ayalia, are a growing team under the direction of inspiring mentors Mr. Suresh Jayaraman and Mr. Sundaram Anand. The mainstay of our success is the strong team of engineers in the field of mechanical, electrical and electronics to support the worldwide engineering industry with a striving focus on achievement. Ayalia's focus is, with every client, we work out with unique and customized automation as per requirement like machining, assembling and process restructuring as per product requirements. Our few customers. Ayalia Engineering Solutions India Private Limited. Website www.italiaautomations.in